Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's walkthrough, I'll show you how to easily build HTML tables right inside Webflow using Finsweet's table component. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create clean functional tables on your Webflow site, no custom code required, and all within just a few clicks. Whether you're building a product comparison, a pricing chart, or just need to organize a bit of information, this approach will set you up with a professional look and smooth editing experience. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and open up your project's design page in Webflow. Now here where the magic starts, head over to the left menu and look for the Apps section. If you haven't explored this area much, it's essentially Webflow's toolbox for adding extra features and community-built components to your project. Once you've clicked into Apps, you'll want to use the search bar at the top. Just start typing Finsweet or even just tables and you should see Finsweet components pop up in the results. Don't worry if you see several options. We're specifically after the one labeled Finsweet components because it includes a wide selection including tables. Once you find it, click to launch the app. This might take a few seconds depending on your connection, so hang tight. What's happening in the background is Webflow linking up with Finsweet's powerful library of pre-built elements. Inside the Finsweet Components app, look for the option to create a new component. It's clearest if you spot a plus sign or a new component button. Go ahead and click it. Now you'll see a list of component types you can add to your Webflow project. Since we're focusing on tables today, go ahead and select Table. This is where we start shaping the info you want to display. For this demo, let's keep it simple and set our table to have just 4 cells. Of course, in your actual project, you may want more columns and rows, but starting with 4 keeps everything clear as you get used to the interface. Think of cells as the building blocks for your table. They're where your data will live. Now let's decide what type of information we want to show in each cell. For a practical example, imagine you're creating a table to display basic product info. In the first cell, type in name. This will be your product or item's name. In the second cell, let's put price here, where you'll list the cost for each item on your table. The third cell could be something like appliances. Maybe you're listing types of appliances, refrigerators, microwaves, and so on. For our fourth and last cell in this example, let's add price again. Perhaps you want to compare prices across 2 separate columns, or maybe it's a typo in your workflow that you can correct to something like features or category. Whatever fits your needs, this template is flexible. As you fill in these cells, take a moment to picture how you want visitors to interact with your table on the live site. Clarity and simplicity are key. Tables work best when each label is short and direct, avoiding any confusion. And just like that, you've created your first HTML table in Webflow, powered by Finsweet. No need to wrestle with tricky code or manual styling. Everything plugs right in. If you'd like to customize your table further, you can adjust colors, borders, or cell alignment straight from Webflow's Style panel, so feel free to make it your own. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment below if any part was unclear or if you have questions, and make sure to subscribe for more handy Webflow tips and tricks. See you in the next video.